Pose. Pose.
Everybody was spinning bag at Louis Vuitton, so I'm gonna take y'all on the journey to Louis Vuitton. Make sure y'all come on here. Let's get it. So good news right now. Nigga try really hard in here. That's a new one. Another blue right quick. Louis V right there. Louis V. Louis V. Man, they got a lot of people in that bitch today, though. Check it out right quick. See, walk around. Let me see the shoes I wanted. Them boys right here, ain't they? Let me see. They do got them. Most them boys on this one. These not the ones I wanted. Damn. Where they at? Where they at? This is me right here. Ha 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 ha. Damn. I don't even think they got the ones I wanted. Damn. I'm gonna probably ask, nigga. Excuse me, ma'am. I have a question for you. Do you have the regular black and white Louis Vuitton trainers?
I'm not sure.
Can you come here? Oh,
You're security.
You
But
security?
if you
Just give me a her name is Lady. Give me a Lady.
yeah, like it's,
Just give me a Lady.
I could send a client of ours.
Yeah, please send a client over. I
Yeah.
appreciate you. Thank you. About a shoe every. I don't even think they got the shit I'm looking for. I wanted the sandals too. What? Brother man, keep up. All right, listen. Y'all got the regular trainers. The ones for 1,090, 290.
Which ones are we looking at?
These ones right here. Hold up. You see those right there? The regular trainers.
Mm-hmm.
And then do y'all have the sandals as well? The Waterfront Mule. It's sorry to be today. They be keeping that nigga stalling in the stores, like, he be spending more money.
What are the sizes?
I'm trying, 10.
Was that some size you normally wear?
Yeah. These ones here, size 10.
Let me see if I have some.
And then also, the Waterfront Mule. For birthday gift for myself. My mom, I'm only getting it from my mom. She looked out for me. All right. Appreciate you. You gonna check and see if you got him, brother? My God. Boys here, them boys hard as hell. Louis V, it's a vibe. Coming here, Louis V, it's a vibe, man. They got different stuff in here, different stuff you can buy. But I come here all the time, so I can do what I want. So it don't really matter, man. My God finna get me right. He finna get me right. He finna get me right. I wanna see some shoes, I'll show y'all these, man. These boys just a vibe, man. Them boys just a vibe. Look at these right here. Them boys hard too though. I ain't gonna lie. Them boys is hard. Them boys is hard too though. About those ones down there. Them hard, them hard. I'm gonna get these ones though. These are the ones I'm trying to get right here. You know, I got my Cartier glasses. Look at their belt collection. Their belt collection hard as hell. Hard belt collection. That boy hard. They got different designer stuff in here, man. It's a vibe at Louis V. Check it for me right now, man. Just split the bag today in Louis V. I can do this shit. Y'all can't even do this in Louis V every day. I own this store, and I'll buy everything up in here. Just to show y'all we in Louis V. Louis V. You can see it, man. We're in here every day. Every day, all day. I buy shit all day, every day. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy here, man. Boy, you tripping TV. Today we're gonna be unboxing a Louis Vuitton Waterfront Mule sandals. Let's get into it. See you guys. All right. You guys can see here. I have this beautiful box here. All detail for Christmas on both sides. Shout out to Louis Vuitton for that. Okay. We got it right here in this box. First, we gotta start off with you can see this bag as well. Got one of those. And I got the receipt right here too as well. Alright, so let's get into it, shall we? Alright. So you got the custom belt here, pull it off. Ooh, let's actually put these on. I'm gonna do a video on these too, y'all gonna see them. These some new buffs, oh yeah. Heck yeah, check them boys out. 2 bands. My blood. Not the white sticks, but yeah. Okay, you got one right here. Other one right here. That's pretty much it in the box that you get. Okay. Standard box, not too bad. Okay. And the first one you get these dust bags here too. I think they're pretty cool. You got one that says Louis Vuitton. Then you got the sandal right here. See how detailed looks. Ah, smell fresh and everything. That's why I like the smell of everything being fresh. Check the bottom of the look at the shoes. It's one. And I like these bags here too. I think they're nice too as well. You can resell them and use them for anything. It don't matter. Here's right here the other one. I got it in black Eclipse Monogram color, yeah. Because this is my favorite one. I like the black. I'm not gonna lie. These are nice. And I'm glad I got them. Yes. You can see a feet review. I'm about to put them on my feet right now for you guys. You guys see what they look like on the feet review. Because I know the feet. You guys need to check out the feet review. But yeah, make sure you guys go get you a pair. I'm the only YouTuber that's doing this video. I don't think anyone else did one like this at all. I went to the store you guys seen I did. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on my feet right now. Let's check them out.